and welcome to a video I look forward to filming each and every month, you guys. It is once again time for our Lush kitchen subscription box, the very first one of the year. It says to be opened 2023. Oh my god, it says warning. It was like a time capsule. Time capsule instructions. Warning, contents may result in abrupt nostalgia. Handle with care. Ow! You guys, I feel like time capsule is like a thing lately. Y'all have to let me know in the comments down below. Did you do the Spotify time capsule thing? I'll have to insert a photo of what mine looked like the other day. I asked y'all on my daily Snapchat story, and a lot of y'all like said you hadn't seen it yet, you hadn't done it yet. It was kind of like an interesting little thing. I don't know. I've heard like time capsule a lot lately. You guys, I feel like the Lush Kitchen subscription box just keeps getting better and better every single month. You guys, in the Christmas box, we got a candle. It's back there still. I light it all the time. We got an actual fragrance. And you guys know I am forever a huge Lushie. If it is from Lush, I want to smell it. I want to try it. Unbox. Oh my god! Okay, I'm so excited for this because this is something that they've talked about doing a lot with the Lush Kitchen subscription box. You guys, I feel like I should come up with a little acronym for that. Lush Kitchen subscription box. LUCSB. That's not catchy. They were saying that maybe they're going to bring back old and retired products and kind of like maybe bring back some of our old favorite items. So I'm so excited to see how retro we're gonna get today. Like, is it gonna be like Lush products from the 90s? Oh my god. Okay, first of all, love the card. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, how much am I gonna yell in this video? I'm so excited. Let's party like it's 1995. Look at this art on the card. Normally I don't read the card first, but hey, let's do things a little differently this time. This January, we're transporting you back to where it all started. The 90s, baby! Rediscover all-time favorites in this curated time capsule packed with beloved classics from the 90s and early 2000s. Get the party started with a trip down memory lane as you soak in the nostalgia. And this is why I don't read the card anymore, you guys, because now I'm reading what the products are gonna be. What is, ooh! Ah! You guys, look at this. Look at this canvas tote bag. Oh, it is cotton. The touch, the feel of cotton. Anybody remember that commercial? Talk about a throwback. I love this little logo. So I'm pretty sure this is one of the extra items. I have really been loving these so far. The first time we got a journal, we've gotten some pens along the way. This little tote bag is gonna be perfect to put all the pins on. I can start a little collection. You guys, I'm smelling lemon lime and it's delightful. But first, sippy sippy, and all of a sudden I see 0 minutes flashing on this memory card. So let me delete some old videos and I'll be right back. Y'all, as I was deleting things, I was just like taking a look at some of the thumbnails. Like, I don't know what is going on with these eyelashes today, but it's kind of like making this eye appear like not as open. Am I having a moment? Okay, right on top, it is this thing. And this, oh my god, why is this so familiar? You guys, I did not have my first Lush life experience until like the early 2000s. So I don't know if this is a product from the 90s, but oh my god, this smells like so familiar. Look at that. It's green, it's yellow. So like I always do, I'm just gonna take everything out of the box and just proclaim at it for a minute, and then we'll try and like go through, take a deeper dive, and actually figure out what the official scents might be. You guys, this is called, I'm not sure if I can even say what this says without, you know, getting so I'm gonna let you guys read it. It is a kitchen exclusive shower gel. And you guys, Let me know. I almost feel like as part of the theme, didn't Lush like labels used to look like this? Is that part of the throwback ambiance? Up next. Oh, is this a soap? Get out of here, little thingies. Ooh, oh my God, I've definitely had this before. I love the color of this too. It's like green and earthy. And I don't know why this is like so appealing to me, but I'm like, oh, it kind of looks like snot. Why is that appealing to me? Help. It smells, this is my favorite scent so far, but I haven't smelled the shower gel yet, so I might revisit that thought. You guys, wait, oh, am I making this up? This looks like one of my favorite products ever. There's another bar that's shaped just like this, but it has kind of like a little daisy in the middle. But I swear it's also this kind of like pink color. I feel like it's reading through more red on the camera, but in person, it kind of looks like a pink red. But there's like gold in the middle. Oh, it's not that other product because this has a very different scent to it, but oh, I love it. It's kind of like woodsy, spicy, patchouli. Everything in this box for some reason is giving me the ambiance of hippie. We have Starcraft. Oh, this is a new type of product we haven't seen yet in one of these boxes. A facial cleanser. Cleanse the Milky Way. This gentle blend of creamy oat milk and calming lavender rejuvenates the skin for gorgeous radiance. All right, you guys, very, very interesting. I feel like I really want to get more into the Lush cosmetics side. I think I've only tried like a very few couple of products somehow after all of these years. I feel like I would like it. I feel like I should try it. You guys, those are all of our products this month. I'm like digging through to make sure I didn't leave anything out. Let's see if we can get some more info. Oh, those are the instructions for a bath bomb. Also, am I holding this up here? You guys are just getting a nice view of my armpit. Okay, this is the one I saw them start to talk about on the card, which is called Auntie Pamela. So this, of course, is a bubble bar. Banana Moon. This is a soap bar. I am using this tonight. Yeah, okay, now that I've been told that the scent is banana, I'm like, oh yeah, it smells definitely like banana. I feel like we've had another banana scented object in one of these boxes in months past, because I remember saying that like the Lush banana products like smell very realistically like bananas. It's not that kind of like faux, like Laffy Taffy, like super strong kind of banana scent. So I really like that. Okay, back to the shower gel. This is supposed to be lavender. Lavender water brings balance as fresh lemon juice and tea tree oil clarify for clear, confident skin. Ooh, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I'm definitely gonna try this one out, but you guys, I have a little bit of skin sensitivity to tea tree oil. Years ago, I remember like I was even filming a video with you guys and I tried these like tea tree face wipes. It was supposed to help with like acne and oil and all kinds of stuff like that. And oh my God, I turned really, really bright red and I've never been like brave enough to at least try tea tree on my face again. But I love the way that tea tree oil smells. So I'm gonna see, like I'm not as sensitive like body wise as I am face wise, but this smells absolutely amazing. If I can't use it, my mom definitely will be able to use it, and she loves anything lavender scented as well. So you guys, also, I don't know if y'all can see, look at how cool the color is. It's almost like a bluish purple, like an ink kind of color. Like, oh, do you see that? Oh my God, you guys, the suds for this product would be so pretty. And then the last thing, I'm just gonna see if I can smell. I would bet that there's not gonna be that much scent to this product because a lot of the Lush like skin items are pretty like fragrance free. This like really has no scent at all. Oat milk, almond oil, honeysuckle, lavender flower. That's like the top ingredients of this, but I don't smell like any scent. So let's finish our little card now. It says, get the party started with a trip down memory lane as you soak in nostalgia with Auntie Pamela's luxurious floral bubbles. Travel through time with Starcraft's skin softening blend and Banana Moon's celestial lather. Or take it up a notch with Slammer's citrus explosion for a timeless pick me up. Get off your dial up, pop in your favorite CD, and let's go back in time with these retro hits for shower, bath, and more. And I have to say, I don't know how much other people would be into this, but like when I looked down at first and I saw this kind of like paper thing and they were saying like nostalgia, I'm not sure if they do this anymore, but it was truly one of the most fun Lush experiences I've ever had in my life. One time we went to New York to the big Lush spa that they have there, and they had all these themed massages that you could get, which I of course selected the pirate massage, but they had a CD that you could actually buy there. It's like they have their own like Lush soundtracks. It's like a whole experience that the music and the products that they use, it's like all part of this really cool spa treatment. So somewhere in my desk over there, I still have the Lush relaxing pirate music. Yeah, I don't know if Lush is like taking suggestions for a future box, but that would be so fun. A special like Lush CD that you would like use while you do all these like products, you know? Let me know if y'all would be interested in a Lush CD in a box. Does anybody still use, or maybe not a CD, but like a Spotify playlist or something. I was just thinking as I said CD 75 times, how maybe not a whole lot of people still have CD players, except for maybe in your car. Maybe a lot of people still have car CD player. Let me know, do you still have a CD player? Anyway, you guys, another wonderful Lush box. This is not sponsored, but I seriously cannot get over how much I love this box every single month. I look forward to unboxing it with you guys every single month. I'm excited to see what the February box is gonna bring. I bet that that one is gonna be for Valentine's Day. Favorite product? Banana Moon. Banana Snot Moon. I'm gonna call it Snot. I like it. Can I call it the snot bar? For somebody that is so deeply troubled by germs, it's a way of coping with my own fears. Anyway, you guys, that's all the strangeness from me today. Thank you so much for hanging out, for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!